Here's a recent project where we replaced a HySecurity Swing Gate that we put in about 15 years ago with an Ideal Manufacturing tilt-away gate. First thing we had to do is get rid of the concrete, the existing swing gate, and the associated hardware. Here we are building the foundation for the new tilt-away gate. There's quite a few conduits that need to be put in place, going to the right places to protect the cables. Here we are getting ready to pour our concrete, and there you have it. The end result is a smooth moving tilt-away gate installed by Accent Alarms.